We're going to make baked cream cheese pasta. Start with a baking dish lined with foil and sprayed with baking spray to make cleanup easier. You'll need one 8-ounce package of cream cheese. We're going to use one 2.5-ounce bag of real bacon pieces. This is half a red onion, roughly chopped, a teaspoon of oregano, a 1/4 cup of olive oil, a 5-ounce container of fresh baby spinach, and a pint of cherry tomatoes. I've set the oven to preheat to 400 degrees. The first thing you want to do is put the block of cream cheese in the center of the baking dish. We're going to put the baking dish into the oven for 40 minutes. While you're waiting for the cheese to bake, start boiling a large pot of salted water for your spaghetti. So our cheese is golden brown. We're going to add the spinach. Now we'll add the pasta water and stir. It's ready to eat.